everyone, my name is Yulia Vikhart and I'm a family lawyer. I work at the law company of the lawyer Alexey Nikolaevich Skryabin. Our law company specializes on providing legal services for divorce and recovery of alimony. Our lawyers provide support in court proceedings throughout Ukraine. In this video, I will tell you how to find an international lawyer or lawyer in international affairs, what help you can get from an international divorce lawyer, what services an international lawyer provides if you need to legalize divorce documents, how to apostille divorce documents, and how an international lawyer will help in divorce from a foreigner. Be sure to watch this video to the end and learn a lot of interesting things about the services of an international divorce lawyer. Subscribe to my channel to always receive up-to-date information in the field of family law. Contacts for contacting me about paid consultations are under this video. How to find an international lawyer or international affairs lawyer in Ukraine. An international lawyer is a lawyer in international family matters, carries out his activity on the basis of the law of Ukraine on the bear and advocacy. According to the definition of the law of Ukraine, a lawyer is an individual who carries out advocacy on the grounds and in the manner prescribed by this law. According to the law of Ukraine, a lawyer can carry out advocacy individually or in organizational and legal forms, or a law office or a lawyer association. An international lawyer operates with the participation of foreigners. International family lawyer in Ukraine. An international family lawyer represents the interests of his foreign clients on the basis of the law of Ukraine on private international law and the civil procedure code. An experienced international family foreign divorce lawyer accurately determines the territorial jurisdiction of a foreign divorce case. Jurisdictions of the courts of the civil cases with foreigners is determined by an international lawyer on the basis and at the time of the opening of the proceedings, despite the fact that in the course of the proceedings the grounds for such jurisdiction. The court shall refuse to open proceedings on the case if there is a case in a court or another body or a foreign state in a dispute between the same parties with the same object of the dispute. Help of an international divorce lawyer in Ukraine. International family lawyer for divorce from foreigners provides legal assistance on the basis of a legal assistance agreement signed by the lawyer one on the hand and the client on the other hand. After signing the contract, the foreign client pays a deposit of the international family lawyer's fee, after which the international lawyer draws up a statement of claim for divorce from the foreigner and compiles a package of necessary documents. In order to get acquainted with the experience of a family international lawyer, it is enough to consider the category of cases that the lawyer deals with. On the website Judicial Power, there is an opportunity to consider the category of family cases with a foreign element and the state of consideration of these cases. The qualifications and work experience of a family international lawyer can be viewed on the website the Unified Register of Lawyers of Ukraine. After analyzing the experience of an international lawyer in family matters, you can come to the conclusion that your question falls into the specifics of the cases that one or another international lawyer is quite guided by. Services of an international lawyer for the legalization of divorce documents in Ukraine. It should be noted that it is the international family lawyer who is competent in the matter of legalization documents and divorce from foreigners. As you know, in order to use documents issued on the territory of Ukraine abroad, it is necessary to affix an apostille or undergo consular legalization. The most common procedure is an apostille affixing by an international family lawyer. Some European states that have signed the Hague Convention insist on a double apostille, which provides for the translation of the document. International family lawyer has many years of experience in the issue of apostille on divorce certificates, from foreigners, court decisions on divorce and marriage statements with a divorce mark. The team of international family lawyer has experienced translators, as well as the ability to certify the translation by a notary. Thus, turning to the international lawyer while abroad, the lawyer, without your participation, draws up a turnkey divorce from a foreigner. How to apostille divorce documents from an international lawyer in Ukraine. By contacting an international family lawyer, you will be provided with advice or divorce documents from foreigners that need to be apostilled for further use abroad. Apostille on divorce documents is affixed by the Ministry of Justice on the basis of the order of the Minister of Justice of Ukraine on streamlining regulations regarding affixing apostille and preparing documents for their consular legalization. An experienced international family lawyer always emphasizes that in order to confirm marital status and to carry out official actions outside the state authorities ask not only a court decision on divorce, similar to the current Ukrainian legislation, but also a certificate of divorce. But based on the norms of the family law, if a divorce from a foreigner was carried out in court, then obtaining a divorce certificate is not provided, but there is an alternative, an extract from the state register, which is similar to a divorce certificate document, and it is also subject to apostillization. Don't underestimate the knowledge and experience of an international lawyer, because in practice, the largest number of refusals in precisely of court decisions of divorce with foreigners. There are the main common mistakes on the basis of which the Minister of Justice grants a refusal of an apostille. Lack of a seal, misconformity of the judge's signature, absence of the judge's signature. If the aforementioned inconsistencies are identified, the international lawyer will quickly eliminate the deficiency and receive a copy of the court decision again. To carry out such a procedure, unlike an international lawyer, only an international lawyer has legal grounds in accordance with the law of Ukraine on the bar and advocacy. International lawyer in case of divorce with foreigner in Ukraine. International lawyer for divorce cases with foreigners specializes in divorce with Ukrainian citizens who lived abroad, divorce with a citizen of Ukraine from a foreigner, divorce of foreigners on the territory of Ukraine, divorce of Ukrainian citizens abroad with foreigners, or divorce of Ukrainian citizens living in other countries can be registered by an international lawyer without visiting the spouses on the territory of the state. The entire divorce process takes place remotely. Thanks to an international family lawyer, it is enough to contact an international lawyer on the issue of divorce proceedings. For citizens living abroad or foreigners, and all the legal part of the work is performed by an international family lawyer. Foreigners and citizens of Ukraine who have married a foreigner can dissolve the marriage thanks to an international lawyer on the territory of Ukraine and in accordance with the laws of family law. Consulting a professional divorce lawyer is a guarantee of your success. Contact the lawyers of our company and in any way convenient for you. Call or write to messengers. We will help you resolve your issue quickly and efficiently. If you have a need for consultation or paid services of a lawyer, then contact the contacts listed under this video. If you have any questions, then write them into the comments to this video and I will definitely answer you. If this video was useful for you and you learned something new for yourself about the activities of an international divorce lawyer, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, press the bell so as not to miss new videos, and see you in new videos.